Hi guys, today this video we are looking for the mod servers. Yeah, the mod servers. Just what can we do a code if it's gonna be the mod server? Z. Let's look at. It's connecting. Oh my god! We found that!
Yes, I did.
Oh my god! It's the first attempt!
Yeah, dude, you're lucky. You're lucky you joined at this time.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm lucky. I'm making a video about
very good.
the mod servers.
Moderating, no boy.
There's a lot of galaxy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the space trap. This is too late.
Yo, bro, I don't want this ammo. I need that. Oh, finally, bro. Oh,
Wait.
I'm gonna shred these.
Stop being such a naughty boy.
Is it full? Yeah, it's full. Yo, guys, it's full. Just grab it. Okay. The code Z was the modded code. Oh, there's my phone. Okay. Oh, there's a sunset one. These are valuable.
One more nutshell.
I have them unlocked.
Okay. Now I'm gonna sell them, but
You gonna coffee?
I'm very heavy. Wait. With this thing, you guys can get a lot of money. Now we are going to do another server. What are we getting? How much money did we get? And nah. Oh my god. Are you serious?
Well, I have mine.
I made the 2 million
I don't use.
with
I'm a moderator.
80,000.
I'm a
Now,
moderator, guys.
we're going to the
Give us
code
stuff or I won't believe you.
2. Okay, it's 2. Why did I do? I don't know, but it's 2. I want it. There's nothing. Oh!
He just got scared. Bro, he just got so scared by him shooting his own rocket.
Yo.
I go to the code mode. There's nothing. Well, guys, my little brother is playing the Brawl Stars now. Yeah, I'm gonna say X. The Z was good. If the Z was good, X gonna be good, I think. Oh, what's going on? There's nothing.
Yes, Did you die?
Actually, so stupid. You're freaking abortion, bro.
Look at my mouth.
Huge.
Let's go with C. Why am I going with the alphabet? I don't know. There's some bags.
On my little thing, so I have to get it.
I'm gonna go with A. We found one code right now. Wait, move it. Room is full. Oh, I saw a video on YouTube. It's saying the money. The modded code was money. Oh, money. Okay. Wait. Not like that. Money. Without 2N. Oh my god. There's not anything. Yo guys, Can someone say a modded code for me? I'm making a video about the modded codes.
I said
You
don't
want it,
let
Bluey?
them
Want it, Bluey?
to the
Get it!
Hey, revive me.
Can someone say a code with modded? Yo! Yeah, it is modded. What's that code? What is that code? Money. Money is the modded. Money is the modded one. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at these boxes.
Hey guys, I
There's
don't
the
see any
black
money
one.
here.
Okay, so I'm gonna do
Yo,
some
there ain't money! Money, money, money.
Pretty much, it's raining money.
Yeah, this one's
No!
Yo, y'all need to start selling stuff.
OMG. But where's the selling machine? Where's the selling
Oh,
machine?
y'all need some ray guns.
Oh my god.
Oh, y'all need some ray guns.
Whoa.
Yo guys, the code was money
some
and
ray guns.
it is, I think it's modded.
Here are some ray guns.
Whoa, so much ray guns.
OP. I'm gonna go oh my god, I write an O. There's nothing. What?
Oh, I can just slap my chest.
OP. Okay, OP. The code called OP. What? I think random PvP. Without PvP. What's going on?
Players, we have to
that server
clean
is
this
modded?
oldest modded server up.
Oh my god.
Animal Company players, please proceed to the moon with all the valuable items.
First, cold
Did I just
and
shred it, not shredder?
no.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you can shred nut shredders.
It's just modded.
I just shredded
Look
it.
at that.
Yeah, you can shred or not shred
That
it.
should not be possible.
I'm gonna be
Is somebody doing a nut shredder?
OP. Again. Yeah, again. There's not anything. Hi. I'm making a video about the modded servers.
I'm back.
I wanna add you, okay? I wanna add you, okay?
Okay, thank you for adding me. It's my first.
That's my friend. Oh, he just got back. Really?
If I'm gonna be big YouTuber, you adding on me. You added.
I'm gonna edit you. A friend?
I add you.
Friend, hello?
I'll add friend.
I gotta call him. Hold on.
I'm adding you
Are
as
you
friend.
adding me? Okay,
I
here
think
is you.
you will
I
think.
accept that. Just bye. I'm going to another code. Just go to code called money again. Without wait. Without the no period. Without period. Well, there's not anything again.
Is there money in this code?
Is there?
Is there like any moderators in this code?
Mod.
You realize that?
You guys are called modders.
Okay, we're trying the mode one. I What is going on? Oh my god, it's modded server. It's actually modded server. Look at that servers. Oh. Let me get that pink revolver. I love that. This looks super cool. I can't get that. Oh! Who tried to kill me? It was the modded server, but it's not like on the code Z. What? Player 21? Mods. I'm gonna white. No, I want an ass. There's not anything. The 2. Yeah, 2. Just 2. I write it, but I'm gonna write it again. And can you give me one of these?
I joined you here.
Okay.
I said
Alright.
I know you. Yeah. Wait.
Come here.
Yeah. Okay. Add me.
Can you
I'll
add
put this
me?
in my stash.
Can you give me one of these?
I will. But just so I can move. Otherwise, I can't. The singular muscle. Okay, where are you? What's your name?
I'm right here.
I'll give you Galaxy.
What's your name?
Sky Kingston. Sky Kingston.
I can give you also. I can also give you.
I'll give you a very
Okay.
small apple. Can I add you?
I can give you everything you ever want. I can give you everything you ever want. I swear, everything you ever want.
You add me?
Yeah.
Okay. I joined my fan code again. Yeah, I just joined. It's Cameron, right? Yeah, it's Cameron. Guys, today we looked the modern servers and we found, I think it's 2. Yes, it might be 2. I don't know actually. But it's 2 now. The video is end. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and do like to my video. Just bye guys. I love you. See you next time.